SBI Magnum Hybrid Long Short Fund continues its strong momentum. The fund's AUM has increased meaningfully in November, and the portfolio positioning shows a clearer tilt towards stable and consistent returns. Here's the breakdown of the November fact sheet. As of November 2025, the fund's AUM has moved above 1,500 crore rupees, showing strong investor traction within just a few weeks of launch. The fund was reopened for subscription on the 20th of October. The NAV as per November end was 10.12. The fund is continuing with the caller option strategy for smoother returns. To know more about this strategy, check out our detailed video by clicking above or find the link in the description. The notable change in November is the higher equity allocation. Equity exposure has increased to 65% compared to October, showing that the fund is participating more in equity markets but still within a risk-controlled framework. The highest equity concentration comes for large caps. At the same time, cash levels have come down to 7.3%, meaning the fund has deployed more capital instead of keeping it idle. The debt portion remains high quality, dominated by AAA rated instruments at 16% and sovereign securities at 10.02%, supporting overall portfolio stability. So, the portfolio now stands as a more invested and more balanced mix between equity, high quality debt, and derivatives. The fund continues to maintain diversification across major sectors in equity markets. Financial services form the largest share, followed by information technology, automobiles, power, metals, and consumer-oriented segments. This diversified exposure helps reduce volatility and keeps the portfolio resilient across market cycles. Overall, November shows three clear signals. 1. Higher equity participation. 2. Lower idle cash. And 3. Stable, high-quality debt exposure. This fund is suitable for investors who want more stable and consistent returns, lower volatility compared to pure equity, a disciplined hybrid approach. It is especially suited for retirees as the fund offers a low-risk band of 1. If you want help understanding how this fund fits into your SIF allocation, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp at 9205523100 or email us at sifinsights@gmail.com.